Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit the header of your WordPress website. Now before we start, I have to notify you that WordPress requires a full a paid subscription in order to be able to access a lot of the features such as WooCommerce, installing plugins, and a lot of features that you're gonna need for this tutorial. Now I advise you to pay for this subscription, but I didn't pay for it myself, so I'm gonna guide you through the process verbally and I'll tell you the instructions, and if you follow them you're gonna be able to edit the header in WordPress successfully. Now let's follow these few steps together. The first step is using the customizer, and to do that you're gonna have to log into your WordPress.com account by going to WordPress.com and entering your account's credentials. Once logged in, you're gonna be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go in the left sidebar and search for appearances right here and click on customize from the options from drop down menu. Click on it. Now click on the header or site identity to edit a logo, navigation menu, or a tagline. It's usually in the top right here of your website. For the second step, using a page builders. For more control, use Elementor or similar plugins and open the header template and make your changes using the drag and drop editor. Just note that Elementor and using any plugin requires a paid subscription. Now for the third step is to add a custom code, which is optional. For advanced users, add custom CSS or edit the theme's header.php file and make sure to back up your site first. And for the final step, save and preview, and you do that by testing your header and header's responsiveness on different devices and click publish when satisfied. For additional tips, avoid clutter in the header and focus on key elements like navigation and branding, and use sticky headers for a better user experience. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.